Bakit mo ginawa yun?
Really? My intentions are good. I have a photographer friend and he needs an assistant. So sabi ko sa kanya, magaling ka.
Sir, salamat. Pero hindi naman kasi yun yung point ko eh. Ang sinasabi ko kasi, hindi mo na dapat ginawa yun.
Oo nga, Jay.
Hindi ko naman alam nasa sabihin sa kanya nung HR. If they don't like you, they won't call you, di ba? Just wanted you to have a job that you like. You're accepting it, right?
And if you don't want that job, I talked to my friend in London, and his dad needs your smile and your help while he's here in the Philippines. It's just a temporary job, so it'll last about a month. Perfect, right before you take the board.
Ako rin, Billy. Yung kaibigan ni Lola Madge. Naghahanap ng personal nurse.
So, yung mga HR ng iba't ibang kumpanya na tumawag sa akin dahil yung lahat sa inyo, ni-refer nyo ako sa iba't ibang trabaho, guys? Ano?
Billy, anong ginagawa mo dito?
We are telling Billy that we scored her some job interviews.
Pwede naman kitang ipasok sa kumpanya ni Papa.
Yeah, my photographer friend.
My friend, London, you know.
Guys, ano ba? Thank you. Okay? Na-appreciate yung efforts nyo. Pero please, huwag nyo pakialaman.
Billy, gusto ko lang naman ng tulungan.
Yun na nga. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng tulong nyo eh. Okay? Ay, ayoko masanay kasi.
Masanay na ano?
Lagi kayo nandyan para sa akin. Na lagi nyo akong tinutulungan na napakababait nyo pa rin kahit wala na ako dito sa Jaya Bar.
Bakit?
Dahil ayoko ma-fall at mamili ng isa sa inyo.